Hello, this is Shuttle Commander Nick. Welcome to Space Shuttle 15. Next to me is my second command pilot, Allende. And also on board are mission specialists, Lucas, Andrea, Allende, Joss, Tony, and Jordan. We will be taking you on a quick tour of our solar system. We hope you enjoy the trip. Let's start with our mission specialist, Jordan, as we approach the planet Mercury.
Hello, my name is Jordan and my planet is Mercury. The size of my planet is 4,879 kilometers in diameter. The color is silver and it's 0.39 AU away from the sun. It is named for the Roman god of profit and trade as Mercury. It's the closest planet at the sun, and it takes 88 Earth days to rotate around it. There's 58.9 Earth days just to rotate on its axis, and it can get from 801 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and negative 279 Fahrenheit during the night. And it has 0 moons. Okay, it has 0 rings, and its core and its outer core and mantle is made out of iron. People who discovered the planet is Thomas Harriot and Galileo. It was discovered in 1631. The crust and mantle are only about 250 miles thick. You need a very special spacesuit to be on Mercury, and Mercury's orbital.
This is Tony and I'm being tour guide for Venus, and the size of Venus is 6,052 kilometers, and the color is whitish, yellowish. Distance from the sun is 108.21 kilometers. Venus means a goddess of love and beauty. It's the second in the solar system, and it takes 224.7 days to travel around the sun. It takes Earth 24 hours to rotate, and Venus takes 243 days in Earth. It is 864 degrees. It has no moons. It has no rings. It is made out of rock, and it was discovered by Michele Lorenzo in 1761. And that's thank you for coming with me.
I'm Joss, and my planet is Earth. It's 3,959 kilometers in diameter. The colors are green, blue, and white. The distance from the sun is 1 astronomical unit. And Earth's name is a German name. It means ground. The position in the solar system is the third planet away from the sun. It takes 1 year or 365 days to rotate or orbit around the sun. It takes 1 day to rotate around. And the temperature is 61 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the average or 16 degrees Celsius, and it has 1 moon. It doesn't have any rings, and it's made of silicone, rocks, iron, nickel, aluminum, and other minerals. And Nicholas Copernicus is the person who discovered that Earth was not flat. And Earth is the only planet with liquid on its surface, and Earth is the only planet that has an atmosphere that's containing 21% oxygen. The Earth is the only planet that has life. Thank you for watching.
Our size is 6,754 kilometers. Now, of course, just know that the color is red, obviously, and we are 1.5, even a half to be more exact, 1.52 AU away from the sun. Mars got its name from the Roman god of war, and they thought of that because, well, it looks like blood. Of course, that is disturbing. Anyways, we are the 4th planet from the sun, and our orbit takes 687 Earth days. Length of a day in rotating on the axis, obviously, is 1.026. Let's just say 1, but that's exact. And the temperature is 225 below Fahrenheit to 70 Fahrenheit. And we have 2 moons. We have Phobos and Deimos here. Obviously, we don't have any rings. That's obvious. Rocks, let's just say rocks, soil, and money. Why I say money? There is some rich iron inside there. There is some good iron. That's why I say money. Who discovered the planet? Well, ancient peoples. And when? Well, that's unknown, obviously. So, if you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you will be 38 on Mars, 30%. Mars moons, Phobos and Deimos, which I said earlier, can be asteroids captured by the gravity. And the air on Mars is dangerous because it is mostly poisonous carbon dioxide. That's why we're staying out away from the ground, and that's why we're still in space, obviously. Anyways, please enjoy your view, and I'm done.
Hello, my planet is Jupiter. Its size is 139,822 kilometers in diameter. The color is, it's got red, brown, and orange. The distance from the sun is 5.2 AU. Its name is from the Roman god, like the king of all the gods. The position, it's the 5th planet from the sun. It takes 11.9 years to orbit around the sun. A day on Jupiter is 9.9 hours. The temperature is negative 145 degrees Celsius. It has 63 moons. It has 4 rings. The planet is mostly made out of liquid hydrogen and helium. It was discovered by an astronomer named Galileo Galilei in 1610. 3 interesting facts is its core is hotter than the surface of the sun. The red spot has wind speeds of over 250 miles per hour, and 1,300 Earths can fit in Jupiter.
My name is Andrea, and my planet is Saturn. The diameter is 120,536. My color of my planet is pale yellow with hints of orange. The distance from the sun is 9.54. The name comes from the Roman god of agriculture. The position in the solar system is 6. How? I missed that. Saturn orbits the sun 29.5. It takes Earth 24 hours to rotate. Once of Saturn is 10.7. The temperature is 28 Fahrenheit, 178 feet. It has 62 moons. It has 7 rings, and Saturn is made of hydrogen and helium. Galileo discovered Saturn, and he discovered it in 1610. And Saturn is the second largest planet, and Saturn is a gas giant. And Saturn's nickname is the jewel of the solar system. Thank you.
My planet is Uranus. The size is 15,792 diameter. The color is bluish green. The distance from the sun is 19.2 AU. The name comes from an ancient Greek deity Horus. The position in the solar system is the 7th planet. The orbit takes 2,870,658,186 kilometers from the sun. The length of a day is 84 years. The temperature is negative 216 Celsius. It has 27 moons, and it has 13 rings. The planet is mainly made up of hydrogen and helium, and William Herschel discovered the planet on March 13th, 1781. It wasn't considered a planet at first when they first found it, and the lowest temperature it gets to is minus 224 Celsius. Uranus has very dark and thin rings. This is Space Shuttle 15 signing off.